Before Brave Trails, I'd only really met another person like me once.
It's such a safe space to get to explore new names and pronouns and identities.
Summer camp that is often so uninviting to LGBTQ young people because it's so gendered, and being able to kind of like flip that narrative on its head is so fun and so exciting.
It's the perfect space to be who you want to be without judgment.
It's something that I think that we always dreamt of, like creating this space that goes beyond mental health and goes into building community.
I believe that it is the youth and us as adults who are informing each other how to build this.
Grants are in so many ways like the key to like that locked door. Even creating Brave Trails, like we have all of these ideas and these visions and these things we want to execute. To have a company like TOMS believe in us enough to like invest in these ideas, it means so much.